For the first time in a very long time, ever since I watched football, followed Orlando Pirates, I agree with Coach Abdeslam Owadu. Owadu was right, Tito was wrong. Tito must understand that Tito is a player and Tito melalandela my instruction of a coach. When the coach is talking, you don't have a right to talk when as a player. Now, question also is, last boy akona, you don't take umkondo wase lokshini ulethe ku PSL. Awuthatha umkondo wase Thembiso uzodlala ngawo ku PSL. When you play ku PSL awudlala ama Phillies game number 1. So if kuma Phillies game aba player kwazi ukukhuluma the way athanda ngakhona nama coach, it's fine for ama Phillies game. Mara ku professional uTito mela respect ama coach wakhe. So Tito was wrong and Tito was out of line, and also Tito speaking back laphayana back chatsa ku Abdeslam Owadu uTito beka wrong. Coach Abdeslam Owadu if akajabulanga nge style of play saka Tito, all Tito needs to do is to adjust to his style of play saka coach. But also another thing that I see happening here is that someone in Orlando Pirates support Tito. Kunomuntu behind the scenes abameno Tito. Now a lot of people on social media bakhuluma as if coach uye beka wrong ngalento le ayikhulumile. Number 1, Coach Abdeslam Owadu udlala high tempo game. Utito slows down the game yaka Owadu. Even when Orlando Pirates are on a counter attack, I'm telling you, counter attack magno Tito ya moshakala, because Utito's not used to that kind of football. Utito's used to holding on to the ball, al kibele, then I'll release it. But that's not how Coach Owadu plays. Now, it also explains why during the course of the season, Umfukeng Bampushile, they made him a number 10, and then Utito had to come off the bench because Utito umuntu bekaqala ma game. But ever since Umfukeng Bampushega one bamisa ku number 10, Utito sekangena from the bench when Orlando Pirates winner sebamfakela ukuthi okay when angena control tempo ye game. That's how football works. So I understand ukuthi Tito bekazama ukwenzana, and I don't understand ama supporter abameno Tito. So you telling me that when endlini as a father mawukhuza umntana wakhe nomntana wakhe akhuluma back umntana wakhe right? You telling me that a company as the boss of the company mawukhuza istaff sakho sakhuluma back istaff sakho si right? Uyi boss. So Coach Abdeslam Owadu beka right, bekumele abonise uTito ukuthi kuphethe mina la, khale sami isicathulo la, this is how we play. And now yes, the players had to come in between them bakhuza coach, but no player uhambile wayekhuza uTito if ni noticeile. Why sikhuza coach singakhuza uTito? Why didn't the players come back uTito bakhuluma nangothi ndoda nawe phela understand lo muntu coach wakho? You need to respect this guy. So it's not the first time uTito aba ne situation ne coach. Under Jose Rivero, uTito beka umuntu odelela kakhulu olwayo, sometimes esimbona thethisana nama referee. This thing is oloku iqhubeka. There's a young boy from Thembiso ofuna ukudlala professional. Uzoyithatha lento kaTito ayilethe ku PSL, and then bese lento lena yenzani? Ama players suke lokshini, black players by the way, abase lokshini bayadelela bamamila ama coach wabo. And look at what that did to his season yaka Tito at large. You remember Munapule Saleng? Umunapule Saleng na umuntu bengathi unenkinganyana zama behavior nokudelela pendulana nama coach, waqala wahlala bench Orbit College Sundowns bench. From Sundowns, trust me, Umunapule Saleng is going to go to a small team from Mamelodi Sundowns. From Mamelodi Sundowns akuna ukuthi uzoya overseas, uzoya ku smaller team. You don't disrespect ama coach. You don't disrespect the management the club, and then you think you're going to get away with it as a player. And sad truth is that when it's all said and done for Tito, Orlando Pirates will continue being a team. But uTito yena kusokhohlwa we. Orlando Pirates will carry on, izawuqhubeka kuzabanye abo Tito, kuzabanye abo Mfukeng, kuzabanye abo bani. So I also put blame on the players. Ngokuthi bona as the players ababonisana instead by embrace kuthi how Tito unenhliziyo encane. Ngizwe lapha no Dion Hoto in that episode akhuluma athi hey, but Tito is Tito, man. Tito, he has a small heart group. Tito must learn to respect his people. uTito mela kwazi respect his elders. Number 1, Owadu is not just a coach, he's an elder ku Tito. So now this yasibonisa ukuthi nasestradini lo muntu behave kanjani. Maslangana naye zama fan mosimbulisa melumbulisele ukuthi show uhambe. Are you going to have a conversation with a player like that? And look at what that did to the rest of the season yaka Tito. uTito is a very slow player. A lot of people believe that he's good on the ball, which I disagree with, but he's good on the ball. uTito uslow down the game yaka Owadu. Orlando Pirates leader 2-0. There's still 45 more minutes to play. Yazi ukuthi the biggest scoreline in football you recover 2-0. In case you didn't know, go easy kubuya 2-0. 2-0 is score is easy good to score. First, second half mangena, maybe first 5 minutes Sasha one just motivated. It's advantage us, not the leading team, because the leading team now bona sebazofuna ukwenzani, bazofuna ukudefender ilead yabo. Now Orlando Pirates bazo struggle ukudefend ilead yabo because a player like Tito struggles ukubuya azoma maka futhi move. So when you get the chance Tito kora, he takes on 4 players instead of ukuthi shoot akore. Now he's out of options, sekafuna ukuleya ushaya amavula vala kwaze kwaba late, and then by the time sekumele ukuthi shoot Tito sekushubile. So coach Abdeslam Moadu is the coach. If the coach doesn't agree with what a player does, the player must just accept to coach Askisi, let me do better. Coaches are there to make players better. They're not there to ruin careers. They're not there to end careers. Orlando Pirates yona self yebaba hambile basayini Owadu. Even if but we submitili CV or anything, Pirates decided to sign Owadu. When they signed Owadu, Owadu is responsible for all the players Orlando Pirates. He's responsible for performance abo mabadlala. He's responsible for mental strength abo. He's responsible for a lot. And because Owadu played at a level Tito has never played in, a level that Tito might never even play in. Owadu dlalela Tito can even dream of playing. Lo muntu buyo dlala nabo Ryan Giggs. Lo muntu beka defender abo Ryan Giggs. Ama player I'm sure Tito labo maka ama player angeke azahlangane nawo life yakhe. So Tito can learn a lot from the guy. But if Tito and the first thing ayenza uya ku defense mode ufuna ukuphikisana no coach and then as supporters sima no Tito, it's wrong. Siyamosha Tito. Tito kusasa uzodelela then icareer mayiphele. We the same supporters will sit here and laugh sithi mbhekeni uphelele kuphi kwenzakaleni. And I'd like to see, is Orlando Pirates gonna give us an episode ngombule njoba basiphile ngoTito basibonisile what happened between coach Abdeslam Moadu no Tito ne. And funny how lento yaka Owadu iphuma Owadu aqeda ukukhuluma ukuthi yena he might be leaving Orlando Pirates. So already we have an idea of what's happening in the locker room. Ama player kushuta wamamelu coach, coach frustrated, coach udinekile uyabona ukuthi kushubile. Now question is, are we gonna get the same ngoSipho Mbule na? Are we gonna see an episode where Orlando Pirates isibonisa the reason why Sipho Mbule wasn't getting game time, the reason why khona manje sekuna allegation ukuthi Orlando Pirates imrelease, I mean ama speculation ukuthi bamrelease. So if sikwazile ukuveza ka Tito, so sicela ukubona neyakambule. If coach Owadu didn't address Tito, next week bekuzoba uRilo Mfukeng okhuluma kanje, next week kube yilo, next week kube lo, and then mosu coach bazomgibela ikhanda, then how does he coach the guys? Endlini umntana makabhedu uyathethiswa abafethu, asithi mshaye uyamthethisa uyamlungisa, mamthethisa uyambonisa. Owadu is addressing into angayithanda, uyacomplain ukuthi bafethu we don't even deserve this 2-0 lead. The way sidlala ngakhona ngathi aslead nange 2-0, lamagoli swatholele ngenhlanhla, sibhizi sibamba ibholo and azanga biza igama. If umamele kahle azanga athi Tito you've been holding on to the ball too much. Tito made a remark while Owadu akhuluma, then Owadu athi Tito you have something to say, come speak. Uyambiza ukuthi no, come speak, angithi wena nyakhuluma ufuna ukukhuluma, sondela uzokhuluma. Owadu uzama ukulungisa team, good, let's go out there and score more goals. Coach Owadu came to Orlando Pirates at the time where ama fan desperately wanted the league bafethu. So vele bekane pressure. Yabona I don't agree no Owadu tactically, le rotation yakhe angivumelani nayo. Some of the players that mina he chooses to play I don't agree with. But when it comes to respecting the coach, nyavuma. Bekumela command respect from Tito. And well done coach. If it happens again, mela iphinde futhi. And a lot of coaches can learn from lento lo Owadu ayenzile ukuthi player mal out of line imtshele. The player is not bigger than the coach, because if team I win as two players, two coach, if the team doesn't do well, all of us siyagcwala kuma social media, yeah makahambe, forgetting ukuthi ama player wamamela, ama player ayamdelela. Tito needs to fix his attitude, he needs to fix his discipline yakhe, because if akazilungisi, I'm telling you, ozithola gijima lapha kuma Rumo Gallants ku relegation zone. Ozithola lapha ku relegation zone, sizambiza weTito lapha ku relegation zone. There's a lot of players that you can learn from. Abebadelela ama coach. Thembi Nkosi Lodge namhlanje akayanga ku World Cup because of disrespecting Hugo Broos. Namhlanje sonke siloke siyamkhalela Lodge. Hugo Broos angeke ambize because udelelile. We don't know what Monapule Saling did. Asazi ukuthi indaba kaSaling iphelele kuphi, uvele wanyamalala esithubeni umuntu odlala kahle. Now Tito's doing the exact same thing. And he's doing it at the wrong time. Orlando Pirates is hunting lo mfana lo weGolden Arrows uNdlovu. KuZumthiyana, kunoMfukeng. Who's Tito gonna bench kulaba boy 3? Who does Tito play better than kulaba boy 3? If Orlando Pirates yaphumela sign uSise, Tito is in trouble. He's in trouble unless of course ucoach uzotshelwa ukuthi dlala lo bench lo udlale lo obench lo. Bafethu mina hiyo leyo bengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. I'm not happy with Tito's behavior. UTito mela ehlisa behavior and the players nabo, it was good to see ukuthi bangenile ku coach, but the same energy siyenzile ukuza coach. We must use the same energy ukuza Tito. Tito, you are young. You still have your whole career ahead of you. Mina personally, you are not a favorite. Like personally, you are not a favorite, but you still have your whole career ahead of you. lungisa behavior yakho mfana kithi. Don't treat professional football ngathi ama-fitness game. Don't treat professional football ngathi udlala i-1-on-1 lapha ekhaya udlala i-1 pala. It's professional football. Umsebenzi wakho. You make money from this thing. You make a living from this thing. Ongazimosheli. Ongafuni kusasa uhlale la ituleni sesikubuza uthi I was a star that could have been but never was because of my behavior.